Hello everyone. Health is wealth, as we all know. Health is wealth for a long lifestyle. My name is Anitola Messi. I'm a medical practitioner. So I'll be talking on urine. What your urine says about your health. It is very important to know what your urine says about your health. I would mention 4 things you have to notice in your urine. Whenever you notice these symptoms, you have to consult your healthcare provider for proper investigation. The first thing you have to notice in your urine is you have to notice if your urine is foamy. It is not healthy for a normal urine to be foamy. If your urine is foamy, it might be presence of protein in urine, which we all know as proteinuria, and which can also lead to kidney disease. So if you notice after you go to the toilet and you are done and your urine is foamy, it is very advisable for you to see your healthcare provider for proper investigation. Though having a foamy urine might not be you have maybe protein in urine, or probably maybe you have kidney disease or anything, but this is for the test. The investigation is for you to know the proper state of your urine, if your urine is okay or not. The second thing I would say is blood. Blood in urine is not okay. Presence of blood in urine is called hematuria. If you notice blood in your urine, it is very advisable for you to go to the hospital, consult your healthcare provider for proper investigation. A urine test will be done. We call it urinalysis. This urinalysis test will give you the full details of your urine. If there's presence of blood in your urine, which we refer to as hematuria. So whenever you notice blood in your urine, it is very advisable to see your healthcare provider. The third thing is you have to notice the odor of your urine. If you go to the toilet, it is not even normal like your urine should smell very bad. Though if your urine smells very, very bad, it might be as a result of maybe some certain medications, or probably you are not drinking enough water, which we all know as dehydration. So it is very good to drink enough water, because if you don't drink enough water, your urine can have a bad smell, which is not okay, and even it can affect the color as well. So it is very good to be hydrated. Don't be dehydrated. It's very good to be hydrated. Drink enough water. So the last thing I would mention, which is the fourth point to notice in your urine, is the color. You have to notice the color of your urine. The normal color of urine should be clear pale yellow to amber. If your urine is clear pale yellow, it's very okay. But when you notice your urine is dark brown, having different color, it is very that means you have to drink enough water very well. When you drink enough water very well, the color of your urine will have pale yellow, clear to amber. But when you are having maybe this abnormal color, it shows you are not drinking enough water. That means you are dehydrated. So it is very good to be hydrated. So try to notice these 4 things that Babe mentioned. You have to notice if there is blood in your urine. If your urine is foamy, notice the color and also observe the odor of your urine. These 4 things are very important. When you notice all this, especially when there is blood in the urine or your urine is foamy in the toilet, you have to see your healthcare provider, because having a foamy urine might lead to kidney disease. It might lead to a lot of things like urinary tract infection, bacterial infection, a lot of things like that. So, but when you go to the hospital to see your healthcare provider, urinalysis test will be done on your urine to rule out some investigations. If there's presence of white blood cell in your urine, if there's blood in your urine, if there's glucose in your urine. Another thing you need to know is when you pee too much in a day, it is very important to also go to consult your healthcare provider, because peeing too much in a day might even probably maybe you're having diabetes. That's, we call it early diabetes, and early diabetes can lead to, you going to the toilets often and often. So it is very important to even go to the hospital to know if there's presence of glucose in your urine for proper investigation. So, and the earlier the better for treatment and diagnosis. So don't wait until when you have all these in your urine, all this bad thing. Don't wait until when you have this before you can go to your healthcare provider. Okay, even when you don't have all these symptoms, it is still very advisable for you to do some checkup, to go to the hospital and do a regular checkup. This will keep tracking of your health, like to know if you are in good condition or not, and the earlier the better for proper treatment and diagnosis. So this is what I want to say for now, and please kindly notice all these I've made mention of. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share, comment, and also watch my video. Thank you.